You know you can make those charbroiled oysters at home, right? Here's the recipe. Watch this. Here's a quick look at the ingredients you need. First, we're going to shuck our oysters. Crack them open at the joint and then place them on a wire rack to keep them stable. All that oyster liquor is valuable. You do not want to spill it. Next, let's make our Cajun butter sauce. Just melt some butter over a saucepan, add some minced garlic, and then this seasoning right here, the Delta Dust. It's like Papa Do's in a bottle. You can get it from UncleDibbz.com. Add some parsley, let that simmer on low, bake your oysters for 2 minutes at 500, and then pour that garlic butter all over your oysters. Bake for another 2 to 3 minutes at 500. Remove and then sprinkle that Parmesan cheese all over your oysters. Broil on high for 2 minutes and then you're good to go. Now let me know in the comments if you want to see the char grilled version of this recipe. But for this one, full recipes in the caption or in the link in my bio. That's good, shorty.